Hey friends, today we're going to check in on the Alphamites. I hear they're planning a celebration.
Thank you, Stan. Hello, tiny humans. Preparations are coming together for the annual Celebrate the Mayor Day celebration. This is an important day where we are reminded to celebrate me, the mayor.
Mayor? We have a problem.
What now, Perfloppetus? Is it the ice sculpture? I knew we shouldn't have ordered it a week in advance, but who could have predicted the heat wave?
No, sir. It's the banner.
The banner? The world's best mayor? That's not supposed to be a question. Only questions end in question marks. This is supposed to be an exclamation point, indicating a very strong feeling. The world's best mayor!
Guess the painter didn't understand the difference between a question mark and an exclamation point.
Nonsense. This is sabotage. I'll bet it's my cousin, the Duke. He's always envied my power and my trains. Remember, tiny humans, there is a difference between a question mark and an exclamation point. Allow me to demonstrate. Perfloppetus, why are you still here? Question mark. Go fix the problem! Exclamation point!
Yes, sir. Right away, sir.
Oh, the train's coming! I'm coming for you, Duke!
I hope they get to the bottom of that mystery. It certainly begs the question of who messed up the mayor's banner. Punctuation is important. Wrong punctuation can completely change the meaning of a sentence. Let me show you. It's time to go? Sounds like a question, right? By adding a question mark, I'm asking if it's time to go.
Young author located.
Oh, it's time to go. See what I did there? By switching the question mark to an exclamation point, I completely changed the meaning of the sentence. Okay, fellow story explorers, that's it for today. Always remember to be kind and never judge a book or person by their cover. Philo, prepare to launch.
Come by the magical, incredible, fantastic.